Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you websites where you can find writing jobs that are going to pay you from $300 and above. Yes, you heard me right. So if you're someone who loves to write or you may be interested in any of this website, please make sure to watch this video to the end. So we're going to be starting with a website that is friendly for techies. So if you're someone who has some tech skills or you have some knowledge about tech stuff you would love to write about, then this website is for you. Now, if you come down here, you can see that they pay well from the website, though they did not really specify the amounts they pay. But from my research, I saw that they pay $315 to $578 per post. You heard me right, per post. What it means is that if just one of your article is accepted, then you stand a chance of earning from $300 and above for just that singular article. They have their requirements here on the website that you're going to see here once you come to the website. The name of the website is called Contentabc.com. They usually write about tech stuff, and the qualities they need you to possess is to be fluent in English speaking. That is, your English language must be top-notch from the website. So you have to have the ability to grasp complex technical concepts, and then you have strong research skill, you have intermediate or advanced understanding of coding. Having 3 years plus of software development experience is a plus. So these are the things that are required. So you also have to understand that only those selected to move forward will be contacted once you submit your application. And usually they take like 3 or less than 3 offers in a month. So you must know that this is quite competitive and you have to give it a shot if you have the qualifications needed. The next website is called Copy Hackers. Now, this website is where you get to write blog about a lot of things. So as you can see here from the website, it says here's how to pitch and write a guest post for copy hackers, and then you have to enjoy the benefits of building the authority as well as great Facebook shares, tweets, and backlinks, all those kind of stuff. Those are the things you stand to enjoy if your write-up is accepted on this website. So from here, you see they only respond to posts that they would like to pursue. They accept like 1 out of 30 pitches. So you know that it is quite competitive again. Then the pitches that fail to follow the direction on this page will be rejected or unanswered. So you have to follow the instructions that they give here. So as of February 2nd, 2020, they pay from 300 to 1,000 US dollars for every accepted completed post. So you see, you can stand a chance to earn like $1,000 from this website. So here is how it works to get started. You choose a topic that you know a shit ton about. So you must not necessarily be an expert in a particular field, provided you have some knowledge about it. Then you work on the headlines some more. And then you pick a fight or juxtapose 2 things. Then you send your content strategist a pitch email. So those are the things that are needed. There are other information here on the website that you may want to go through to understand before you get started writing on this website. So you see here, their mission is to help 5,000 copywriters make $1 million a year. So you may stand a chance to be amongst the 5,000 writers here. So what they do more is about copywriting and all this kind of stuff. So you might want to give it a try. Before we move on to the next ones, I would love to mention here that some of these websites will have total control of your write-up. So you have to understand that and know that if they're paying you, you don't have any right over your write-up anymore. Whereas some of them allows you to access your write-up and use it whatever need you may have for it. So you have to make your research ahead of time before you choose the one to write for. So moving on, the next website is a blog that writes about front-end development. That is, if you're into tech. They take pride in publishing deep technical contents that help developers do their jobs and stay up to date on new technologies. So you have to know how to make your research well before you get started. So why you should write for the website, which is called LogRockets.com, is they will compensate you for your time, and depending on the scope and quality of each post, they will offer you $350 for one particular post. Guys, you heard that? So you have to do the work to promote your content across the web, like Hacker News and Reddit, Twitter, and all those kind of places. Then you can reach a wider audience. They regularly receive around 5 million monthly views from readers all over the world. Then you get to help other developers as well. You can still publish your own piece on your own blog. So this is what I was saying. So this particular website allows you to use your own write-up even after submitting it to them and getting paid. So you can publish it in your own blog if you have a blog. And then here is what makes a great post for the website. So this particular website is quite specific about what they want. So you have to be a techie, you have to have knowledge about tech to be able to write for them here on the website. You might want to make your own research, go through the website to be able to know the other things that are required of you before you get started writing for them. So we have one more website left, but before I continue, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online. And if you've tried any of these websites I've mentioned, please let me know your experience in the comment section. I would love to know how it went for you. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. I really appreciate you for your support. Thank you so much. So the next website, which is the last one for today's video, is called the Latent Army. Now, this is a journal. The journal that talks about critique and feminism, visual culture, and writing that expands boundaries. So these are the things they usually talk about on this website. So to be a writer on this website, you're going to come down here where it says submission guideline. Click here. Here is the submission guidelines that you need to read through to understand before you be able to write for them. So do we accept your type of submission? Here is what you have to understand. They prefer topics centered around issues of social justice, politics, and arts. While they do publish pieces that are situated in lived experience, they do not publish personal essays. So you have to understand that the pitches you have to submit to them must be a completed piece. So here is what they look for in a pitch. Successful pitch will outline a field of inquiry, the object of your analysis, what you want to say about them, key points of support for your argument, other thinkers whose work is in conversation with yours, your essays, relevance to issue themes. So you have to understand all these things properly before you get started. So repeat submission, we'd like to switch things up in general. Our guideline is to wait to publish repeat authors until 5 issues have passed since their last publication, roughly 1.5 years. The purpose of this is to provide a wide range of voices through TA. So what this basically means is that if your article is submitted, like they accepted it and published it, before they accept any other articles from you, will be like in the next 1.5 years. They give other people room to submit. So if you're going to be trying this website out, I would advise you also try other websites so that you don't keep waiting on this particular one. Authors receive flat fee of $500 on this particular website. So you see this one pays more than $300. So if you're interested in any of this website, you can sign up to them, check out their website. However, they will communicate to you how your payments will be made. Some of them may pay you through PayPal, some will pay you via any other means. They're going to be communicating to you through your emails. So you might want to check them out before you get started with the website. Please let me know in the comment section any of them you may be trying out. If you want to try other stuff like typing jobs, you might want to check out these videos showing on your screen right now. Thank you for watching. Please don't fail to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.